Jim and Kate Lane from Lane Technology Solutions in Nala. Hope everybody had a wonderful holiday weekend. This week we're going to stick with social media, social engineering, and how that plays into our everyday lives. So Jim, what's one example?
Well, Facebook quizzes, don't fall for those because they ask a lot of questions that that might have hints for people in their password, looking for passwords. So don't take those quizzes. I think that they're pretty lame anyway, and actually you're going to be giving a lot of information away that you shouldn't be giving away.
Also, natural disasters, hurricanes, tornadoes, the pandemic. Those tornadoes in Kentucky, those poor people, they want help, you know, and so they'll come across an email that offers them assistance. It's fake. Sometimes make sure you verify. And then one more is online only relationships. You know, they may not be who they think they say they are, you know, they have a different picture that's not themselves. Meet the people. Meet them in person before you fall in love and send money. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great week, this holiday week, and we'll see you at the beginning of the year.